Come. I'm joining, I'm making a journey right now, and that journey is called financial freedom. I would like you to come and join me in this journey. Let's start together so that at the end of 6 months, we shall turn back and ask ourselves where we are. Let us start it together. Now, first of all, what is financial freedom? What is financial freedom? Now, financial freedom is a level in life, it's a situation in life, a level in life where your money work for you. You do not work for money, but your money work for you. Where you don't talk about money, but you talk about what you will use money to do. So that is what we call financial freedom. So I hope you would like to join me in this journey. Let's start together. Now, there's a level in life you will be, you discover that money is no longer your problem. You have money at your beck and corner, you command money. At that situation, that is when you need to talk about income. Income. In this journey, we shall know how we can increase our income. You will know the difference between revenue and income. There is a difference between revenue and income. So in this journey, as you join me, we shall know the difference. We shall know how you can increase your income. Another thing we shall talk about savings. A lot of people don't know how to save. They don't know how to save. Saving, there is a percentage of money you need to save at the end of the month. And before you can save, your income must increase. And for you to increase your income, you have to increase your revenue. I believe towards this journey, we shall be able to know all these things as you follow. Another thing you know in this journey, we'll be talking about investment. How do you invest? When do you invest? And where do you invest? Because before you can attain financial freedom, you must invest. Investment must be there. And another thing is you have power to control your money. A lot of people do not have power to control their money. As you approach financial freedom, you will be able to know how to control your money. A lot of people, once money enter their pockets, it will start checking them. They want to buy this, they want to acquire this, they want to have this, they want to do this, they want to enjoy themselves. In that situation, money controls you. But when you attain financial freedom, as you follow us in this video, you'll be able to know how to take in charge of your money. Even if 10 million enters your money, your account, you won't bother. You will know how to take control of it. We shall know during this journey, we shall know how to make good decisions. Because if you don't know how to make good decisions, you will not be able to manage your money. So good decisions is very, very important. You must know how to make good decisions. And we will teach you how to make good decisions. And at the end of the day, you will thank us. So I want you to follow me. If you are watching in Facebook, follow me. If you are watching in YouTube, I want you to subscribe to this channel. At the end of the day, you'll be grateful you joined this channel. Thank you. See you next time.
Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.